What's 123 squared? In your head, no calculator. Most people don't even know where to start. But there's one trick called the duplex that handles any three-digit number, no exceptions. The duplex is a building block, a quick way to combine digits. One digit, square it. So the duplex of 5 is 25. Two digits, twice their product. Duplex of 12 is 2 times 1 times 2. That's 4. Three digits, twice the outer pair plus the middle squared. Duplex of 123 is 2 times 1 times 3 plus 2 squared. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 3 rules. That's it. Now let's square 123. To square a three-digit number, you compute 5 duplexes, one for each sliding window of digits. D of 1 is 1. D of 12 is 4. D of 123 is 10. D of 23 is 12. D of 3 is 9. Write them in order: 1, 4, 10, 12, 9. These aren't your answer yet. Each sits in its place value. Then we resolve right to left with carries. 9 stays as 9. 12, write 2, carry 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. Write 1, carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 stays as 1. Reading left to right, 1, 5, 1, 2, 9. 123 squared equals 15,129. Try 456. D of 4 is 16. D of 45 is 40. D of 456, 2 times 4 times 6 plus 5 squared. 48 plus 25 equals 73. D of 56 is 60. D of 6 is 36. Line them up. 16, 40, 73, 60, 36. 36. Write 6, carry 3. 60 plus 3 is 63. Write 3, carry 6. 73 plus 6 is 79. Write 9, carry 7. 40 plus 7 is 47. Write 7, carry 4. 16 plus 4 is 20. Write 0, carry 2. And the final 2 on the left. 456 squared equals 207,936. Notice it came out as a 6-digit number. The duplex scales naturally with the size of the answer. Your turn. 312 squared. 10 seconds. D of 3 is 9. D of 31 is 6. D of 312. 2 times 3 times 2 plus 1 squared. 12 plus 1 equals 13. D of 12 is 4. D of 2 is 4. Lined up, 9, 6, 13, 4, 4. Resolve right to left. 4, 4, 13. Write 3, carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 9 stays. 312 squared equals 97,344. One technique, any three-digit number. The duplex method just took about 90 seconds to learn, and now you can square any three-digit number in your head. Subscribe for more.